रेडियो खांची 90.4 एफएम पर प्रसारित किए जाने वाले विषय वस्तु का सारा क्रेडिट प्रस्तुतकर्ता को दिया जाता है। हमारा मकसद है समाज में ज्ञान एवं सकारात्मकता को आगे बढ़ाना।
रेडियो खांची 90.4 एफएम हम सबका रेडियो पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। माई सेल्फ एसकेएल दास, आई एम ऑफ फैकल्टी ऑफ CPPS in Ranchi University. Today, my topic is surface area and volume. This lecture is beneficial for all the CPPS students and for all those students who are preparing for competitive exams. Students, I am going to discuss 4 important 3D figure, that is, first one is prism, second one is pyramid, third one is tetrahedron, and the fourth and last is frustum. And I will discuss the full concept, that is definition, and the related formula which is very useful for all competitive exams. Students, today's class is very important, especially for those students who are preparing for SSC, CGL, CPO, LDC or railway exam. Students, in all the exam related to central government, especially SSC, you will get at least one question related to these 3D figures, that is prism, pyramid, tetrahedron or frustum. Students, the first one is prism, and the most important question arises, what do you mean by prism? The simple definition is a solid composed on the base of a polygon as triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. and having the top same as the base is called prism. Its face have been rectangular and perpendicular on the sides of the polygon base. Students, in simple way we can say that a solid with two congruent parallel faces, any cross section parallel to those faces is congruent to them. That means two faces that are parallel and congruent are called the bases of prism. Students, if you suppose that a right prism having each of the bases of polygon of n sides, then number of faces equal to n plus 2. That means n polygon of n sides plus n rectangles. Students, so we will get the formula, that is number of faces of polygon of n sides equal to n plus 2, number of edges equal to 3n, and number of vertices equal to 2n. And on the basis of these 3 basic formula, we can find out the number of faces in triangular prism equal to 5, in rectangular prism equal to 6, pentagonal prism equal to 7, and in hexagonal prism you will get 8. And the number of edges in triangular prism, that will be 9, because the number of edges equal to 3n, and in triangular prism n equal to 3, so 3 into 3 you will get 9. In rectangular n equal to 4, so 3 into 4 you will get 12. In the same way pentagonal number of edges equal to 15, hexagonal 18. And the last one is the number of vertices equal to 2n. So in triangular prism you will get the number of vertices 2 into 3, that is 6. In rectangular you will get 2n, that means 2 into 4 you will get 8. And the same way you will get in pentagonal prism number of vertices equal to 10, and in hexagonal you will get the number of vertices equal to 12. So the most simple, these 3 formula, and the most important formula related to prism, that is the volume of prism. Students, the volume of prism equal to area of base into height. If you will get area of base and height and then multiply both these two value, then you will get the volume of prism. The second one is lateral surface area of prism. So if you want to find out the lateral surface area, first of all you must have the value of perimeter of base and height. So the lateral surface area equal to area of prism equal to perimeter of base into height. And the third most important formula of related to prism is total surface area of prism equal to lateral surface area plus 2 into area of base. Students, these are three formulas which are very important for prism related questions. Students, the next solid figure is pyramid, and the most simple question arises that what do you mean by pyramid? And the simple definition is it is a solid figure. Pyramid is a solid figure with a polygon base and all other faces triangles that meets at a common vertex. Students, in general there are two types of pyramid. First one is regular and second one is irregular pyramid. And the simple definition is a regular pyramid is that which has base in regular form, and an irregular pyramid is that which have a base in irregular shape. Again, this is the most and easy concept or definition of regular and irregular pyramid. And in general, whenever you will get the questions in examination hall, maximum time you will get the questions will be based on the regular pyramid. That means its base will be defined. Its base in general may be triangle, maybe rectangle or a square or maybe hexagonal. And these are the most important pyramid having base triangular, rectangular and hexagonal base. Students, let us suppose that the number of sides in the base of pyramid be n. Then the number of slant faces of or triangular faces equal to n. The second one is the base of pyramid is also a face. Third one is the number of total faces equal to n plus 1. Next, number of slant edges equal to n, number of total edges equal to 2n, number of slant height equal to n, and number of vertices equal to n plus 1. So, if you want to find the faces of prism, then you will use the formula that the total number of faces equal to n plus 1. That means in triangular n equal to 3. So you will get the number of faces in triangular pyramid equal to 4. In a rectangular n plus 1, that means 4 plus 1 5, and in pentagonal you will get number of faces equal to 6. Students, the number of edges in triangular pyramid will be 6, the number of in rectangular 8, in pentagonal 10, and in the same way the number of vertices, and we know that the total number of vertices equal to n plus 1. So the number of vertices of pyramid in triangular base equal to 4, in rectangular base equal to 5, in pentagonal base the number of vertices equal to 6. So let's discuss the three most important formula related to pyramid. The first one is the volume of pyramid, and the volume of pyramid equal to 1 by 3 into area of base into height. The second one is the lateral surface area of pyramid equal to 1 by 2 into perimeter of base into slant height. And if you want to find out the slant height, then you have to use the formula that slant height equal to root under h square plus a by 2 ka whole square. Friends, here if a is the side of a rectangle or a square, then a by 2 is the midpoint of that side, half of that side. And the last one is total surface area of pyramid equal to lateral surface area plus area of base. Then third 3D topic is tetrahedron, and the basic definition is its all surface is equilateral triangle and it has base and 3 lateral surface. Students, I am repeating again. Its all surface, a tetrahedron having all surface is equilateral triangle. It has one base and three lateral surface. The most important is its formula, which is generally directly asked in examination hall, and sometimes you will get the direct formula also, or direct formula based question. The first one is volume of tetrahedron equal to root under root 2 by 12 into side ka cube. That means second one is the total surface area of tetrahedron equal to 4 root 3 by 4 into square of its side. Third formula is lateral surface area of tetrahedron equal to 3 root 3 by 4 into square of its side. And the last one is the height of tetrahedron. This is equal to root under 2 by 3 into side. Students, if you will practice all these questions, then definitely you can solve all the questions related to these topics very easily in examination hall. And the last topic is frustum, and the basic definition is a frustum of a cone is the solid obtained after removing the upper portion of a cone by a plane parallel to its base. And its formula is volume equal to pi by 3 into h into r square plus r into r plus r square. Students, here small r and capital R are the radius of the circle or its base. The curved surface area equal to pi into capital R plus small r into L, and the total surface area of frustum, that is equal to curved surface area plus pi into capital R square plus small r square. Students, if you will use these formula in examination hall, then definitely you can solve the questions within time, because many times questions are directly based on the formula. So students, let's practice all the questions related to frustum, pyramid, tetrahedron and prism. Thank you very much and all the best for your exam.